Hi, my name is Lindsay, and I'd like to introduce you to a new library service. We now have cognitive kits available to check out. Cognitive kits are filled with activities and resources that are designed to celebrate the skills and abilities of those that live with dementia and other forms of cognitive impairment. We are offering these in partnership with the Alzheimer's Society of Peterborough, Kawartha Lakes, Northumberland, and Haliburton. We have 8 different kits available that cover a variety of topics, such as farming, gardening, hockey, and more. Cognitive kits are free to borrow and are available to all who have a library card. Kits are checked out for 3 weeks to allow for plenty of time to engage with the different activities that are included. So this is one of the kits, and the theme of this kit is farming. In each kit, you'll find a caregiver package that's filled with resources. You'll also find an activity guide and discussion questions to help you take full advantage of the activities in the kit. And then a variety of different activities. So in this kit, you'll find a farm animal sorting activity, lace and trace, a book to browse through, and an appropriate puzzle, among other things. If you'd like more information or would like to place a hold on a cognitive kit, head to our website, kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. Under the Adults tab, select Cognitive Kits. Alternatively, you can go directly to the Cognitive Kit page by typing kawarthalakeslibrary.ca/cognitive kits into your web browser. This is what the web page looks like. Here you will find more information on the cognitive kits as well as borrowing details. If you keep scrolling, you'll find the list of kits that are available to check out. We also provide the stage that the kit may be most appropriate for. Please note that this is merely a suggestion. All activities can be altered or modified to fit individual abilities. Once you've found a kit you wish to place a hold on, click on the kit title. Then take a few moments to fill out this form. Once you've submitted the form, we will process your request. Just like a book, there may be holds that are ahead of you, so please wait until we've notified you that the kit is ready for pickup. Because the kits are large, we ask that you please return them during opening hours. The kits will not fit through the drop box. We hope that these cognitive kits prove to be a beneficial resource to caregivers and their loved ones in our community. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to give us a call at 705-324-9411, extension 1291, or email us at libraryadministration@kawarthalakeslibrary.ca.